Hi everyone, it's great to see you again. I'm Ken from Crypto Trading KS. Let's run the numbers. Bitcoin currently down 3.31% to 64,804. Ethereum 46.15 down 2.23%. My goal is to assist you to be more of a financial blessing to yourself and those you love, and also gain real wealth in the process. I'd like to take you through a quick overview of the community coins. When we're looking at Bitcoin, we've seen a recent sell-off. It's just coming back to a level of support. We can see Ethereum has also found a level of support. When looking at Binance Coin, it's coming back to its level of support. We can see poor old ADA. ADA's not been doing too well. It was doing really well, and then it just decided to take a bit of a nosedive. This is the way in the crypto market. These sell-offs can be very sharp and very quick, but they generally sharp angles tend to reflect up and down. Just keep that in mind as well. The other thing I just wanted to raise, please keep away from leverage wherever you can. I had a couple of community members reach out to me and just express their interest in leverage trading. I would suggest, until you're a master at spot trading, and spot just means that you own whatever crypto you go into. When you own it, you can hold it forever. You can wait for price to come back and get healthier, even if it gets sick in the short term. That is the way to go. I've seen people get liquidated on taking both sides of a position. It's horrible. XRP, we've seen XRP sell off and now starting to come back. Solana is finding support and bouncing. Poor old Doge is under resistance. Go Doge. DOT has come back to a level of support, but that level of support is more resistance at the moment. Looking at Algorand, we can see Algorand has come back to support. SHIB is on a downtrend. It's cut through one level of support. We can see Luna has cut through a level of support and then bounced up. The dynamics of Luna's chart are quite nice. Cardano, it's just rocking and rolling. Look at that incredible price action. We can see that it's not being slowed down in any way, shape or form, unlike a lot of the other cryptos. AVAX has just sold off. You can see a lot of the altcoins selling back to a level of support and bouncing. Chainlink sold back to a level of support and bounced. We can see Litecoin, after a really sharp runoff, it's just done a minor corrective wave. That's really normal. BAL is actually showing a lot of weakness, but it's seeking to get above this particular support at 2420. Veracity has lost its support and is currently under resistance. There is a degree of support around this clustering of price action here. It'll probably get back to that and bounce. Also, we have a level of upward support here, which would coincide with that horizontal level of support. That's something to keep in mind. Icon is coming back to its secondary level of support. Holo, you can see a lot of these alts doing the same kind of behavior, coming back to a level of support and bouncing. That's why I like to take you through as many coins as I can, because it's really quite fascinating. IOTA, I had a very good discussion with the IOTA community. A lot of really good people sharing very good quality of information. I'm going to do a deeper dive on IOTA. What we can see here, IOTA is just doing exactly what other tokens are doing at the moment, just coming back to support and bouncing. MTV has unfortunately lost its level of support. It's coming back to horizontal support. NEO has a very similar technical setup to IOTA. It's coming back to support as well. Loopring, which has another very similar technical setup to IOTA. We can see Loopring broke out of its resistance and has been partying hard. Cartesi has been doing well. This upward level of support has held it well. Cartesi can be very spiky. We can see really big runs up, spikes up that then tend to correct, but the upward momentum is still there. It's important not to confuse a spike for its direction. Spikes can be really good trades. The percentage movement between these spikes and the bottom layer price can be very profitable. It's really interesting that spike trading is a real thing. I'm going to do a deeper dive into IOTA later on today. I'm just collecting all the research. I want to give you a very middle of the road perspective on it. As always, it's really important to make in advance probabilistic choices. When prices are going up, what do you do? When prices go down, what do you do? Do you accumulate? Do you scale out? Or do you buy more? And when they go sideways, what do you do? Having these in advance choices probabilistically determined will help you sleep better at night. It's really good to get an overview of what particular cryptos are gathering strength and what might be bouncing and what have lost their support. We can see Comp coming back, testing support. This is a common theme throughout the crypto market at the moment. MATIC testing support. Oh, unfortunately, Cosmos, Atom. What you up to, Atom? It's lost its support. It's under resistance now. Filecoin was starting to get moving, but has come back and retested support. This is what I always say. You don't tend to miss out in crypto. There's always an opportunity to buy at a lower average price, and that's what we focus on in our community. Storage, we can see storage lost its level of support, poor old storage, and lost the second one as well. It's coming back to this lower level of support around the 130 mark. Coin is losing support as well. What you will find in the crypto market, different sectors such as file and storage tend to move in different directions to, for example, NFTs and the Metaverse. There are a lot of things to be aware of. FTX token is finding support. This is a much better technical setup. You're seeing a lot of consolidation. We can see Sushi is currently under 2 levels of resistance. It's good to concentrate your holdings on 5 to 10 cryptos at most. More than that, it can be very hard to manage. Always do your own research. Don't get sucked into any promotion or hype from anyone. It's very important to just look at the project and see its potential. A lot of tokens have incredible potential that will play out in their charts. We can see THETA has lost a level of support. It's just under resistance now. We can see the graph is also under resistance, as is Aave. Aave had a bit of potential here when we got that first Bitcoin sell-off. Aave did really well, but it's not taking the lead from the second one. What's up, Aave? Get your act together, man. Okay, let's have a look at BitTorrent. BitTorrent is currently under resistance. Remember, groups tend to move together. Rune is also under resistance. RLC has bounced from a level of support. IOTX continues to party hard. Good on you, IOTX, keep it up. KSM has seen quite a spike down. It's under resistance now, but it's just doing what all the rest are doing, testing a level of support below it. Let's have a peep at the Metaverse projects. We can see that the NFTs and the Metaverse projects are moving in sort of a coordination with the meme coins. We can see the Metaverse project, Decentraland or Mana, under resistance. We can see Axie Infinity coming back and testing support. Engine Coin, we can see Engine has lost its support, heading back to a secondary support. SLP, the counterpart to Axie Infinity, we're seeing that that is also under resistance. Sand, coming back to test a level of upward support. YGG, making its way downwards. Alice, basically it's lost that level of support at the moment, but it's doing its best to get above it. Chili's, probably a stronger performer here. It's got a lot of support below. That's always a good thing. The more support below, the more price can be supported. This is just a really quick run through, but I know a lot in the community really want to gain an understanding of how their cryptos are getting hit with this recent sell-off. I hope you found the content useful. Please consider sharing and liking this video if you think it will help others. Thank you to our moderators for keeping our community safe from scammers. Please say hi and let me know where you're viewing from, and if you have any questions. If you would like daily updates on price movements in the crypto market, please subscribe to YouTube. I've left helpful links in the description of this video. Please remember, crypto is volatile. Always prepare yourself for the best and worst case scenarios. Reality will likely be between them. Stay safe out there, take care, and see you next time. Bye for now.